Hello folks, Midwest F-150 here. Here's a video I've been waiting for a really long time to do. In this video, we're gonna install the ValvoMAX plug and then test it out for leaks before draining out the oil to see how well it works with this bag in a box. For those who have never heard about this product before, the ValvoMAX oil change system is intended to make the oil changing process easy. It's just a one-time installation. We remove the existing drain plug and washer, clean the sealing surfaces, position the washer onto valve and thread, and then we're gonna use a 24mm socket to tighten to a snug fit. For me, what I'm going to do is use a wrench to get it from the side and tighten it onto the oil pan. Here we go. We're gonna drain the oil into this bag in the box now, so let's go ahead and prep it before we take it under the truck. This is gonna make my life so much easier. Like nothing even happened. Alrighty folks, well I put in a fresh oil in the truck. Essentially what I just did was a double flush. And given how lightly used this oil is, I do plan on using it in other applications. But overall, super impressed. With this system, we're essentially taking out all the messiness and stress of having to figure out how to divert your oil drain so that it doesn't get on the ground. Even if you don't have a bag in the box, you can divert this hose in a way where it aims into your oil collection pan. You know, ValvoMAX is a veteran-owned company made in the USA, and so check them out if you haven't already. And thank you so much for watching this video.